Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. By the way, good morning guys. So, ay, kapoy ko about this. Guys, karon ako nag-start ng vlog. It's because ngit-ngit baka ganina and wala pa energy. Di po maklaro ka ganina eh. So karon na nakahayag-hayag naman. It's already 6 a.m. So I'm with Eugene, Christine, and our guide. So, guys, murag naka 1 kilometer namin pero gikapoy namin dahil. After a year of pandemic, this is quite hard for us. No warm-ups, no everything. See you on the next station. Okay? Yes guys, so ikaduha na ako ng balik diri ano. My first was way back on 2018 I guess. 2018. Anak ko sa kong self-design. Di na ko mabalik aning lugaran ni. But here I am dai. Gibalikan ako ning lugar dai like what the experience. Try. So we are on our way to our second station to take some rest. And kapoy siya, pero the experience is worth it. And I can say that nature is really a good way to pamper yourself and relax from all the stresses in the world. Guys, pasensyain na ninyo guys kay walay warm up. Diretso lang ang all. Kay wala sa plano. But then kaya nun guys, gibayaran man nato ninyo. See you when we arrived at the second station. Look at the nature. See sunlight, some nature. I could feel it. Eugene, how was the feeling, Eugene?
I'm tired.
Tired pero dayo pata na abot di ka takatunga dzay. Pero laban lang ta diri ano.
But
Go.
it's therapeutic.
Yeah. Okay, see you at our third station. View at my back, guys. The nature is very beautiful. And we are almost here at we're almost there. Sorry. We're almost at the my gosh. We're almost at the third station. So I think we need to take a seat for a while to catch our breath and just for a single moment. Okay? See you in the fourth station. Guys, so far the experience is so great and it's so good, so relaxing though. Kapoy siya guys, but it's really worth it. If you want to try to visit this place, you know, you have to prepare for yourself. You have to do warm-ups, guys. Wala ko warm up guys, wala siya tanan guys. Diretso na may lupad. Kaya isabutan, lupad ito dyan. So, wala pagduha-duha. We took the risk and look at the beauty. It's so very refreshing. Gosh, this is so beautiful. You can visit here at Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. If you wish to, you can have your tour guides. You can ask the locals here to guide you up there. And later we will see the beauty of, the place and we arrive at the peak of this journey. So, see you there! Look at this breathtaking view. So beautiful. Yes guys, wala pa ako naabot guys, pero look at, wait lang. Look at the BFI back, so beautiful! This is it, pero we're not yet on the peak. Siguro mas gwapo dyan dito guys, but look at the place. This is so relaxing. So akong mga kakapoy after 3 kilometers of walk has been worth it, just this far. Maybe siguro later, mas maayos siya, diba? Look, look, look! Look! It's so beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Dili sa Santa Cruz. Wala na dyan manguyab sa Kacharna. Just kidding aside. See you later at the peak. Nakaagi na mi sa 4th station. So, wala mi nagdugan ni diretsyon na mi kay para pag-abot sa taas dili init. So, Eugene is still following me, but among ubang kauban guys, sa nami kabalo kung asa na sila, no? Nta, kaya ano nila, kay lisod na. Laban lang tayo ng laban. Guys, nagpahuway sa mi diri sa payag-payag o diri. Si Eugene, kapoy siya. Sa mi kadali kay dool-dool na lang na. So, sa kay hugot na to aning ato ang pag-journey. Siguro dili tanan sa iyo. Wala gid siguro dili tanan sa iyo. And there's no easy way or shortcut to success. You have to go through the process. Am I right? Do I make sense, people? Hey mga ka-Jap Rocks, do I make sense? Charla. Ano to siya guys? So, kapoy siya pero the feeling of fulfillment is very kanang lamig sa feeling, diba? Kapoy siya pero at the end of the journey, kabalo ka ba? Tama imong geto. Kabalo ka unsay rason sa imong pag-adto, anong gisugdan nimo. Ana good, i-relate lang siya sa life. No? So ayun niyo pansin ako mga bugas-bugas na kay. Wala nang dinatag tayo skin ani guys, Charla. Eugene, sa musta may experience Eugene? Kapoy pa si Eugene guys. So, hello Haring Araw. Hey! Love you all guys. Yes guys, so di hangak gihapon tay, no? Pero tabang lang to sa moments. And look, today is Sunday, February 7. So this is just another way of celebrating life, celebrating nature. See? And shout out pa di ice kay Vince Ryan Katipa na always supportive na batchmate. Hello Vince! Sa akong mga kabatch sa college, sa high school. Hello there if you are watching. Guys, pag-subscribe, intawon mo. Ay, murag. Grabe naman yung pagsakripisyo na ako diri ano. Pero guys, oh, look. It's so amazing. Okay, see you later at the beach. Bye. We are almost at the peak. Guys, and we have just arrived at the peak. Yes! So kami pa lang sa maong batch. Kami pa lang ang pinakauna na abot diri. So, look at the people around us. Nag-pack na sila guys, kaya diri naman sila natulog. So kami kaabot pa lang ng ano, wala mi nag-overnight stay diri. So, look at that. Diba? Daghan dyan di I.O. ka ng mga trackers and everything in the world. So it really feels great to be at the peak of Mount Loay. So brace yourselves kay hulatan pa naman mong friends before. So be safe everyone. Disclaimer lang po guys. Wala po yung positive sa amo ano. So you need to wear mask kay negative ang COVID. So malad siya. See you later. Pati love life guys negative. So muna nag-una-una mi kay mga na-love life kami sa dulo guys. Kami kay may uyab. Nauna mi so kailang update ko lang kay mamaya. Hey guys, I'm back with an egg. We want egg off. Hi.
Hi, ga! Oh!
Hi Tim.
Hi, gang daw!
Tunatuma, how was the experience for the second time around?
Oh my God!
Kapoy no?
Mas awesome.
So, naabot na ang second batch of our friends. Si Tonette, si Jojin,
Benjamin!
si Jerome, ug si Christine, and the two boys there. So, we're still waiting for the others. Okay.
Cellphone! Nabuang na yun. Hey, welcome to your guys.
Guys, we're done with the peak. And nakita na ninyo kung sa siya kanindot, diba? Like, it's worth it. Char. Comment down below from 1 to 10 kung worth it ba kung giad to karo char.
Kung para sa ako, worth it.
Oo, para sa ko worth it jud siya. So na si Jujin again, si Tonette, kauban na namo siya, and si Christine. So wala siya nagpabilin. So guys, pauli namin no. So we dito mi sa opposite direction nagyagian. So see you later. Next destination sa Langan Falls. Diba? Kung kamo na mo'y time maglaag, paglaag mo day. Balag way uyab day.
Tante makalaag.
Importante makalaag day kay syempre your happiness relies on you naman. It's not about, you know, making or waiting for others to make you happy. You have to make yourself happy. Diba? Aray, yawa. Sorry Lord, okay, I'll get back to you later.
Go.
Girl, struggle is for real, girl. Girl, mag-viral jud ka ani, girl.
Pa-slide na lang.
Ayog dagan ha, ayog dagan ha.
Ayaw, saligi na imong kuha na, chinelas.
Di na mo pa akday.
Ay, back siya. Huh? Buhot-buhot, wala na yung ipon. Talen, okay.
Oo, mana.
Na?
Nagibiyaan niya. Wala sa'yo lagi si Kim, ay. Wala, uy, nagbagong buhay, naka-Kim Haiki and jowa. Ibang pudsa? Wala mo nag-i-chestmess, nag-unsa mo, dira nag-earthlock mo. Murog na akong tiil. Ah. And nakarating na Yes po, and nakarating na po kami dito sa ano nga falls? Langan Falls. There. Look at the children playing, diba? It's worth the walk, worth the experience, worth the everything. So, wala kami sa mga kauban, guys. So, see you later. Guys, we're done with our errands today. So, tapos na po yung paliligo namin sa falls. Hindi na namin na vlog kasi nagmamadali na rin kami kasi parang uulan parang uulan. So, yun lang for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you had a great day and stay safe always. And of course, always follow the protocols of the government. Thank you guys. Bye!